Guys, welcome back to our channel. We're gonna dive straight into our math puzzle. We have 10 puzzles today to work on. So the first one is, what comes next? 2 into 4, 4 into 8, 8 into 16, 16 into what? Okay, were you able to get the answer? And the final answer is 32. Did you get it right? Yeah. All right, puzzle number 2. If 3 plus 5 is 28, 4 plus 6 is 40, 2 plus 8 is 20, then 5 plus 7 is what? Smart minds only. Did you get it right? The final answer is 60. So 5 plus 7 will give you 60. Congratulations if you got it right. We're going to puzzle number 3. This is quite easy but a bit tricky. Which number is missing? We have 7, 14, 21, 28, dash, then 42. Which of the numbers do you think is missing? And the final answer is 35. Did you get it right? Kudos. Now next to our puzzle number 4. A clock shows 3:15. What angle is between the hour and minute hand? This is really tricky. Can you guess it right? Let's go. Okay. And our answer for number 4 is 7.5 degrees. Did you get that? It's tricky, right? All right. We're going to puzzle number 5 quickly. Find the odd one out. 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and 40. And your answer is what? The right answer is 40. Why? 12 is divisible by 6, 18 is divisible by 6, 24 is divisible by 6, 30 and 36 are divisible by 6. But 40 is not divisible by 6. Did you get it right? Congratulations. Puzzle number 6. If Monday is 39, Sunday is 54, Tuesday 47, then Wednesday will be what? Great, you get that? And our answer is 49. Some of letter positions. Puzzle number 7. Which is larger, 2/3 of 9 or 3/4 of 8? That's 2/3 of 9 or 3/4 of 8. The answer to puzzle 7 is both are equal. 2 of them are going to give you 6 and they are equal. Congratulations if you got that right. Puzzle number 8. A number doubled gives 84. What is the number? This is quite easy. Very easy. What is the number? It's 42. Congratulations if you got that. So puzzle number 9, find x. 5, 10, 20, 40, x. What could x be? Look for x, look for x. X, it's 80. Congratulations if you got that right. Puzzle 10, we are almost at the end. If 11 is equal to 4, 22 equal to 8, 33 equal to 12, 44 is going to be equal to what? Did you get it right? The answer is 16. Thank you guys for joining me on this show. Just drop on the comment section how many of the puzzles you were able to get correctly. I'll really appreciate to hear that. Will you want more of these amazing fun puzzles? Just comment below so we can bring up more interesting puzzles for you next week. Thank you. Bye.